Social Science Ninth Standard. Part History Chapter 20. Revolution and Rise of Nation States. Exercises, question and answers with mind map. Multiple choice questions and test. Lesson based assessment and questions answers. Let's begin with first exercise. Fill in the blanks with the suitable words. First, the 13 colonies established by England on the Atlantic coast was called New English colonies. Second, the representatives of the 13 colonies met in 1774 at Philadelphia. Next, three. The first president of United States of America was George Washington. Next, four. The writer of Spirit of Laws was Montesquieu. Next, five. The party Young Italy was formed by Joseph Mazzoni. 6. The philosophy of blood and steel was advocated by Otto von Bismarck. Next question number second. Answer the following questions. Mention the reasons of American War of Independence. Our answer. The rise of nationalism and the desire of independence the colonies. The effects of Seven-Year War, naval and trade restrictions imposed by Britain, the Stamp Act and Townshend taxes, Boston Tea Party and protest movements, influence of writers like Thomas Paine, John Adams, and Benjamin Franklin. Next, 8. Explain the significance of the American War of Independence. Answer. It led to the birth of a new nation, the United States of America. It inspired the French Revolution and later liberation movements in Latin America. It introduced the first written constitution in the world. It promoted ideas of freedom, democracy, and civil rights globally. It marked an end of colonial control and inspired nationalist movements. Next question number 9. How were economic factors responsible for the French Revolution? Our answer. France faced a financial crisis due to war expenditures and royal extravaganza. The burden of taxes fell on the third estate, especially peasants and workers. Frequent famine led to the food shortages and hunger. Poor agricultural yield and rising prices led to the economic hardship. Industry growth was limited due to yield restrictions and bureaucratic interference. Next question 10. What was the role of Garibaldi in Italy's unification? Our answer. Garibaldi was a military leader and a strong supporter of Italian nation. He joined Mazzini's Young Italy movement and later formed the Red Brigade. He conquered the twin states of Sicily and Naples, helped integrate them into Italy. His victories and efforts accelerated the unification process. He worked in coordination with Count Cavour and supported the monarchy under Victor Emmanuel II. Next, 11. Who was the architect of unification of Germany? Write a note on him. Our answer. Otto von Bismarck was the chief architect of Germany unification. He was the prime minister of Prussia under King William I. Bismarck believed in the policy of blood and iron, meaning war and military strength. He defeated Austria and later France, removing external control over Germany territories. He united the German states under the Prussia leadership and in 1871 declared William I as the Emperor of Unified Germany. Now, mind map. American War of Independence, colonial rivalry, causes, events, George Washington and Commander-in-Chief. Next, French Revolution, social inequality, economic distress, political factors, influence of Enlightenment. Next, unification of Italy and unification of German. Revolts and revolts, Mazzoni, leader of the Red Brigade, conquered Sicily and Naples. Newspaper Risorgimento, allied with France and Garibaldi. Unification of Germany, a cluster of states in the early 19th state. Bismarck, chief of Prussia. Blood and iron policy, defeated Austria and France. North German State Association secured southern Germany states. Next, we will take few MCQ for your attention. Multiple choice question and answer test. First, which country established 13 colonies along with the Atlantic coast of North America? Our options are, as usual, A, B, C, and D. Our right option is third one, C, England. Next, second, what was the immediate cause of the American War of Independence? Options are here A, B, C, and D. Our right option, second one, Boston Tea Party. Next, three, who was the commander in chief of the American colonial forces? Our options are here A, B, C, and D. Our right option is the final one, D, George Washington. Next, 4. In which year was the Declaration of Independence adopted? Options are here A, B, C, and D. Our right option is third one, C, 1776. Next, 5. Which treaty officially ended the American Revolutionary War? Options are here A, B, C, and D. Our right option, second one, B, Treaty of Paris. Next, 6. The slogan "No taxation without representation" was raised against which act? Options are here A, B, C, and D. Our right option B, Stamp Act. Next, 7. What was the 7-year war fought over? Options are here A, B, C, and D. Our right option, third one, C, colonial supremacy. Next, 8. Which city hosted the conference where the Declaration of Independence was signed? Our options are here A, B, C, and D. Our right option is the final one, D, Philadelphia. Next, 9. Which famous pamphleteer wrote Common Sense? Options are here A, B, C, and D. Our right option is third one, C, Thomas Paine. Next, 10. What date is celebrated as a Independence Day in the United States? Options are here A, B, C, and D. Our right option, second one, B, July 4. Next, 11. Which class in France paid all the taxes before the revolution? Options are here A, B, C, and D. Our right option is third one, C, Third Estate. Next, 12. Which prison was attacked on July 14, 1789, sparking the French Revolution? Options are here A, B, C, and D. Our right option, first one, A, Bastille. Next, 13. Who was the king of France during the French Revolution? Options are here A, B, C, D. Our right option is third one, C, Louis the 16th. Next, 14. Who said man is born free, but everywhere he is in chains? Options are here A, B, C, and D. Our right option is second one, B, Jean-Jacques Rousseau. Next, 15. What was the name of the assembly formed by the Third Estate? Options are here A, B, C, and D. Our right option is third one, C, National Assembly. Next, 16. Which document was adopted in 1789 promoting liberty, equality, and fraternity? Our options are here A, B, C, and D. Our right option is third one, C, Declaration of the Rights of Man. Next, 17. Who was the leader of the Jacobean Club? Options are here A, B, C, and D. Right option, third one, C, Robespierre. 18. What device was used for execution during the Reign of Terror? Our options are here A, B, C, and D. Right option here. Third one C, guillotine. Next 19. Which American event influenced the French Revolution? Options are here. A, B, C, and D. Our right option is second one B, American Revolution. Next 20. What form of government replaced monarchy after the revolution? Options are here. A, B, C, and D. Our right option is third one C, democracy. 21. Next, who was the founder of the Young Italy movement? Our options are here. A, B, C, and D. Our right option is third one C, Mazzoni. 22. Next, which newspaper was started by Count Cavour? Options are here. A, B, C, and D. Our right option is second one B, Risorgimento. Next 13. 23. What was the name of the army formed by Garibaldi? Our options are here. A, B, C, and D. Our right option is second one B, Red Brigade. Next 24. Who became the first king of unified Italy in 1861? Options are here. A, B, C, and D. Our right option is final one D, Victor Emmanuel II. 25. In which year was Rome declared the capital of Italy? Options are here. A, B, C, and D. Our right option is third one C, 1870. Next 26. Who is known as the architect of German unification? Options are here. A, B, C, D. Our right option is second one B, Otto von Bismarck. Next 27. Bismarck believed in the policy of, options are here. A, B, C, and D. Our right option is third one C, blood and iron. Next 28. Which war helped Bismarck to drive Austria out of German affairs? Our options are here. A, B, C, D. Our right option is first one A, Austro-Persian War. Next 29. Which two territories were annexed from France after the Franco-Persian War? Options are here. A, B, C, D. Our right option is third one, Alsace and Lorraine. Next 30. Who was declared the first emperor of unified Germany in 1871? Options are here. A, B, C, D. Our right option is the final one D, William the First. Next, we will take lesson-based assessment MCQ questions in this slide. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 MCQ question and its answers with alphabet. Next in this slide, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 questions and its answers with alphabet. Next, answer the following questions in one sentence. 11, 12, 13 and 14 questions and its answers. Next, in this slide, 15, 16 and 17, 18 1 mark questions and its answers. Next, question number 3, answer the following questions in 2 to 4 sentences or points each. 19. Impact of French Revolution, and 20. Mazzoni's role in unification of Italy. Next, 21. Philosophers' influence on Italy's unification. Next, 22. French monarchy's role in revolution. Next, question number 4. Answer the following questions in 6 sentences or points each. 23. Causes of American Revolution. 24. Economic conditions in pre-revolutionary France. Next, question number 5. Answer the following questions in 8 sentences or points each. 25. Otto von Bismarck and German unification. Its answer. Next, 26. Count Cavour and Italian unification. His role. Answer.